In this video, you will get to know how to make your Mac create JPEG screenshots instead of PNG screenshots. So as you probably know, if you want to make a screenshot with your Mac, it will create a screenshot and the file extension. So yeah, here's the screenshot, and the file extension of the screenshot is going to be, or just right click and select get info. So it's going to be PNG. And as you again probably know, PNG is not perfect for certain situations. For example, if you want to just upload your image to your site and there's no reason for a heavy image because your your photo, say, doesn't have that many details. So if it's overkill, you actually want to use JPEG. So let's see what exactly you need to do in order, again, to make your Mac create JPEG screenshots instead of PNG screenshots. So let's delete this screenshot. Okay, so what you want to do is first fire up your terminal, and then just copy this chunk of code. You will find it near the video you're currently watching. So I'm just copying, then I'm pasting it right in my terminal. Okay, now if I make a screenshot like that and check what's the extension is, what's the image file type, it's JPEG now. So in this code, what made it JPEG was this portion. So it says JPG, right? In case you want to make your Mac create PNG screenshots again, what you will need to do is just delete JPG and use PNG. Now I'm copying again, then I'm going back here and pasting right here. Sometimes you may need to just close your terminal, open it again, and insert the copied chunk of code. Okay, now if I make a screenshot, let's see what's the file extension. So as you can see, it's PNG again. So the bottom line is that you will need to use this piece of code in your terminal. If you want to use PNG, just make sure that you have PNG here. In case you want to use JPEG, replace it with JPG. Hope it helps.